man, what's up?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, where are you from?
I'm from China.
China? No way. You know Kung Fu. Bruce Lee?
I don't know.
Jackie Chan? You gotta teach me Kung Fu, man.
I can't.
Dude, teach me Kung Fu. Teach me Kung Fu, please. I'm not leaving until you teach me Kung Fu, man. That was amazing, man.
Thank you.
Hey, so what's your name anyway?
Kevin.
Well, what's your real name?
Kevin.
No, man, your real name.
You mean my Chinese name?
Yeah.
Oh, it's Yao Ting.
Yao Ming?
No, it's Yao Ting.
Yao Tsing?
Yao Ting.
Yao Chen?
Just call me Kevin.
Okay, Kevin Yao Ming. Kevin, what's up, man?
Not much.
Hey, I was wondering, how did you get your English name?
I just picked it.
Does that mean I can pick my own Chinese name?
Yeah, sure.
Oh, man. But I don't know any Chinese names. You gotta give me a Chinese name. Can you do it? You gonna give me a Chinese name?
What about 大屁? It means
大屁.
badass.
大屁, badass. I like it. Yeah. Kathy. Hey, Kathy. I have a Chinese name now. 大屁. 大屁, it means badass. Kathy. Kevin, why aren't you eating with chopsticks?
It's a burger.
Can you use chopsticks?
Yeah, sure.
Whoa. Even like rice? The little rice? Each little rice you can get with a chopstick?
Yeah.
Hey Kevin, what kind of pets do you have in China? Because I heard you guys eat dogs.
Man, we don't eat dogs, okay?
Dude, I read it on the internet. It must be true.
Look at this. This is my dog. It's my family. Why would I do that?
Maybe the article said cats. I don't remember. Kevin, I have a question.
Man, I'm leaving.
No,
Sorry.
one question. How do you type Chinese on a phone? I don't get it.
We use pinyin.
What's
You know,
pinyin?
it's like English alphabets.
So you use English to type Chinese.
Man, I gotta go.
No, man, let's keep in touch.
Do you use WeChat?
What's WeChat?
It's like the biggest chat app in this world.
Nah, man, just give me your email.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, my email is 137633335
2 hours later.
4144 and 3454 at qq.com.
You know what? I'm just gonna download WeChat, okay? Yo, Kevin!
你来我寝室干嘛？
Dapi needs your help, man. I don't know how to finish my math homework.
Man, I'm not good at math.
I heard that Chinese people are great at math.
I got a D last time. You kidding me?
I got an F, so you're better than me, obviously.
Just get the out, man.
Wait, you got a D in math class?
Yeah?
Did your parents, like, hit you?
No, why would they?
I don't know, I heard Chinese parents are sometimes strict.
Just go, man. Just go.
Sayonara.
That's Japanese, idiot.
Annyeong.
Ah!
Kevin. Hey. Oh shoot. The TV.
I'm good. I'm good at math. I'm not good.
呵呵。